Hello, friends. This is High Tech Talk, and today I'm going to talk about Spotify. We all know that Spotify is in India now. You must have gone through the app, but we will show you few hidden features of Spotify today. First of all, we all want to listen to music while we ride. And what if playing music while navigating over Google Maps is in with Spotify? Okay, so first of all, I hope you all have installed Spotify. If not, then you can simply go to Google Store and type Spotify. You see this? I have already installed it, so it's already there. So, about the first feature which I was talking about, or listening to music using Google Maps. So, in Google Maps, okay, here's my map, and first of all, I will enable the option. We will go to settings, navigation settings. Here you can see show media playback controls. It's on and it will give me a default media app. I will be selecting Spotify because I want to listen it to it. Spotify, do next. Okay. Okay, as I have given all the controls, like once I click on Spotify, it takes me to a new page. I have to just click on accept on the Spotify page, and this is all set up as I've done it already, so it's just allowing me to click on it. So I will just show you how we can listen to the music while, say for example, I want to go to city center. I will just get the directions and start navigating. Okay, you see on my screen I have started navigating and it is telling me the location. I have a Spotify icon over here. I believe you can see on the right hand side corner, that green with lines on it. I will click on it. It gives me this option. I was listening to a song and it is giving me, I can also browse the songs. You can see this browse option below. You can click on it. It will open Spotify app as normal and I can browse the playlist and the songs over here. This is how I can play Spotify while navigating to a place. So the second best feature which is there in Spotify is, we all want, like, we all want to share, or if you feel like sharing with the world on Instagram, that what story or your what song you are playing, or what is your like on Spotify songs, you can definitely share it on your Instagram. What exactly you have to do, you can open your Spotify app. So this is the Spotify app and I was listening to this song, and you have to just open it in a big screen over here, like I have done it now, and click on the three dots on the top. If you're an Android user, click on the three dots over the top, or in iOS also, to a feature you have, click on the three dots. You can see that option share over here. Click on it and you see the option to share as Instagram stories. So I will click on Instagram stories. It will open my Instagram. You see this, and you can type, you can write your any text or anything which you want, and simply you can post it on your stories and it will go to your stories. This is the second best feature which is there in Spotify, which has been integrated with Instagram stories as well. And the third thing which you can do, so the best thing with Spotify is its algorithm. Why I'm saying this is, you open Spotify, sometime we are in a mood to listen any song, uh, as there is algorithm, so whatever we listen, Spotify suggests us those songs which we like, or according to the mood we are always in. But somehow, someday we want to listen to one of the music which is like not our type, but sometime out of our mood we want to listen to that song, and we don't want Spotify to judge us with that selection. So what can we do? We can go to the settings. You can see the setting icon at the top right. Click on that, and I will quickly scroll down to social, and under that you see this option private session. Choose a private session if you don't want to share what you are listening to, like don't even share it with the algorithm of Spotify. Just click on this option of private session, and for some time, till this option is on, your music choices won't get judged or won't get recorded by Spotify, and you can simply listen to the music you want. So these are the three hidden features, I must say, which Spotify has provided. Turn right onto Hadiara Road. It's still showing me the navigation. Okay, I will just close it. So this is the three best hidden features now which is provided by Spotify. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, anything related to this, you can definitely comment on the comment block. Like the video, share the video, and if you like, please subscribe our channel, High Tech Talk. Thank you.